The video I shot on me and my wife putting together my Harbor Freight workbench has been very popular. A lot of people like the ideas. My good buddy, he modified his. Some things I wished I would have done to mine. One of the commenters had made the thing I didn't show in my video is I raised my table up so that I can use my Harbor Freight bench as an outfeed table for my table saw. So he's done the same thing here, except for he raised it above. This is where the factory legs stop at, which made a little shelf right here. A lot of people ask me about dust collection. Well, this keeps the dust from the holes from coming through. It just collects up here. And then he's just using this little shelf for, some marking utensils, his pencil, paper, and stuff like that. Did the same type of drawers, just put a dado, but instead of using those little Harbor Freight dividers that I used, he decided to put a big door here in the center, but he wanted to make sure to offset his dados so that it didn't weaken the wood in between. And as long as you're not doing all 6 of the same size drawers, works out fine. He also, on the sides here, went ahead, put in a solid piece of 3/4 inch plywood here on the side. He's saying that maybe he's going to come put some anchors over here, hang his table saw blades, or hang some tools or something now that he's got this solid side on the outside. Also, like mine, put the little flip down wheels. I'll throw a link down in the description. These little wheels, I have some on my table. They just flip down and you can roll. Makes it very portable, but also they flip up out of the way. So once you get it where it's going to be, it can be very stable. So this is just a different modification of the same workbench. He put the one little shelf down here at the bottom. There's no brace on this little shelf, so it does have a little bit of flex, but it's 3/4 inch, better than the original MDF. And then he just put these little gusset plates right here because you need something to keep it from racking. Without the little gussets, it's going to rack, so the whole bench will kind of move back and forth. So he chose to do some little triangle gussets, whereas like with mine, I brought the bench up a little higher and then put a solid square piece across, and that did the same thing as far as stabilizing the bench. So hope you enjoy. Put some comments what you think about it. I'm sure he'll appreciate to hear from you.